Taking to the skies in style, unveiling the top 10 most expensive private jets in the world. Private jets have long been the epitome of luxury and exclusivity, allowing the affluent to soar above the clouds in unparalleled comfort and style. These flying marvels combine cutting-edge technology, lavish interiors, and exceptional performance. In this article, we unveil the top 10 most expensive private jets in the world, where opulence and aviation excellence coverage. Number 10. Dassault Falcon 8X. Priced at approximately $59 million, the Falcon 8X offers a spacious and luxurious cabin capable of accommodating up to 16 passengers. With a range of 6,450 nautical miles, it provides a seamless travel experience for its discerning owners. Number 9. Bombardier Global 7500. With a price tag of around $73 million, the Global 7500 is renowned for its spaciousness and long-range capabilities. This luxurious jet boasts a stunning interior design, cutting-edge technology, and a range of 7,700 nautical miles, making it ideal for intercontinental travel. Number 8. Gulfstream G600. Priced at approximately $54 million, the G600 is a masterpiece of engineering and design. With its advanced avionics, luxurious interiors, and a range of 6,500 nautical miles, it offers an exceptional flying experience for its privileged customers. Number 7. Embraer Lineage 1000E. With a price tag of around $53 million, the Lineage 1000E combines elegance and performance. Its spacious cabin can be customized to accommodate various luxurious amenities, and it has a range of 4,600 nautical miles, ensuring seamless global travel. Number 6. Bombardier Global 8000. Priced at approximately $75 million, the Global 8000 is designed for transcontinental flights in utmost luxury. This long-range jet offers an exceptional cabin experience, state-of-the-art technology, and a range of 7,900 nautical miles. Number 5. Dassault Falcon 7X. With a price tag of around $54 million, the Falcon 7X is a symbol of elegance and performance. Its advanced flight systems, luxurious interiors, and a range of 5,950 nautical miles make it a preferred choice for discerning jet owners. Number 4. Gulfstream G650ER. Priced at approximately $70 million, the G650ER is synonymous with luxury and speed. This ultra-long-range jet can fly non-stop for 7,500 nautical miles, offering exceptional comfort and cutting-edge technology for its privileged passengers. Number 3. Boeing Business Jet 747-8i. With a price tag of around $403 million, the BBJ 747-8i is the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. Customized to meet the owner's specifications, it offers unparalleled space, extravagant amenities, and long-haul capabilities. Redefining private jet travel. Number 2. Airbus ACJ319neo. Priced at approximately $101 million, the ACJ319neo offers an unparalleled level of customization and luxury. Its spacious cabin can be tailored to include multiple lounges, bedrooms, and lavish amenities, ensuring a flying experience befitting royalty. Number 1. Boeing Business Jet MAX 8. Topping the list at an estimated cost of $100 million, the BBJ MAX 8 combines exceptional range, luxury, and exclusivity. Its spacious cabin can be configured to include conference rooms, bedrooms, and even a private cinema, offering the utmost comfort for its privileged passengers. These top 10 most expensive private jets in the world redefine luxury and provide an unparalleled flying experience for their owners. From spacious cabins and lavish amenities to cutting-edge technology and impressive range capabilities, these private jets represent the pinnacle of aviation excellence. For the elite few who can afford them, these aircrafts serve as a symbol of opulence, exclusivity, and the ability to soar above the clouds in utmost style and comfort.